Fuel is just the start. Why global events are driving up fleet costs. Intro. Welcome back to the Alliance Fleet Solutions podcast. I'm Jonathon Spitz, and today I want to talk about something every fleet owner has probably noticed recently: fuel prices. Whenever diesel jumps, everyone starts talking about what it costs to fill the tank. But fuel is only part of the story. What's happening globally doesn't just affect what you pay at the pump. It also affects the cost of maintaining your fleet, replacing vehicles, and ultimately keeping your business profitable. Let's dig into why. Fuel prices are a symptom. Recently, Automotive Fleet published an article discussing how tensions in the Middle East are affecting fleets across North America. Most people immediately think, fuel is going to get more expensive. They're right, but what often gets overlooked is that petroleum isn't just used to make diesel and gasoline. It's also a key ingredient in motor oil, lubricants, many plastics, rubber products, and even tires. When oil prices increase, eventually many of those products become more expensive too. That means fleets can see higher operating costs long before anything actually breaks. The hidden cost. This is why reactive fleet management becomes so expensive. Let's say a vehicle needs new tires next month. If tire prices increase because raw material costs go up, that replacement becomes more expensive. The same goes for lubricants, filters, hydraulic fluids. Many maintenance items are directly or indirectly connected to energy markets. Most business owners can't control any of that, but they can control when they replace vehicles. They can control preventive maintenance. They can control downtime, and they can control how efficiently their fleet operates. Where fleets lose money. One of the biggest mistakes we see is waiting. Waiting for the market to improve. Waiting for a truck to fail. Waiting until maintenance becomes unavoidable. The problem is that external costs keep moving while you're waiting. A repair that costs $2,500 today may cost considerably more several months from now. An aging truck also becomes less valuable every month it stays in service. That's why timing matters. Planning beats reacting. The fleets that handle uncertain markets the best usually aren't the biggest. They're simply the ones with a plan. They know which vehicles they're keeping, which ones they're replacing, which repairs make financial sense, and which assets are becoming too expensive to own. Instead of reacting to every market change, they're making decisions based on data. That creates stability, even when markets aren't stable. What Alliance does. This is exactly where Alliance fits. We help businesses connect the dots between maintenance history, repair costs, utilization, and replacement timing. Instead of asking, "How much is this repair?" we help answer, "Is this still the right vehicle to invest in?" Those are very different questions, and they often lead to very different financial outcomes. Closing. Fuel prices will always fluctuate. Global events will always create uncertainty. But businesses that build disciplined fleet management processes are much better positioned to absorb those changes. You can't control world events. You can control how prepared your fleet is for them. Thanks for listening to the Alliance Fleet Solutions podcast. If you'd like help building a smarter fleet strategy or want a second opinion on your current fleet, visit alliancefleetsolutions.com or reach out to our team. We'll see you in the next episode.